Hello students, welcome back to my channel As You Have with Pinky. I have made this video to explain you about past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. We use the past perfect tense to speak about an action that has already been completed in the past. हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज़ उन एक्शन को बताने के लिए करते हैं जो पास्ट में पहले ही हो चुकी हैं. Let us take some example. First example is when we reached the platform, the train had left. जब हम प्लेटफॉर्म पहुँचे तो ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. इन दिस सेंटेंस, इस सेंटेंस में बताया गया है कि ट्रेन पहले ही जा चुकी थी जब हम हमारे पहुँचने से पहले. तो इस सेंटेंस में यह कार्य पहले ही ख़त्म हो चुका है. Second example is she had cooked dinner before we arrived. हमारे पहुंचने से पहले वह डिनर पहले ही बना चुकी थी. इस सेंटेंस में डिनर बनाने का कार्य पहले ही ख़त्म हो चुका है, तो यह सेंटेंस भी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का है. There are three types of sentences in past perfect tense: declarative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Structure for declarative sentence: subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Had will be used with singular subject or plural subject. Let us take some example. First example is he had reached the platform. वह प्लेटफॉर्म पहुंच चुका था. He is singular subject, so we will use had. I explain you in structure. Had will be used with singular subject or plural subject. Reached, third form of verb, and platform is object. Second example is Bharat had gone out when I arrived in the office. जब मैं ऑफिस पहुंची तो भरत जा चुका था. इस सेंटेंस में भी कार्य पहले ही ख़त्म हो चुका है. भरत इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, सो वी यूज हैड. गॉन इज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड ऑफिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. स्ट्रक्चर फॉर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस: सब्जेक्ट plus had not plus third form of verb plus object. Subject can be singular or plural. And this is negative sentence, so we use not with had. Let us take some example. First example is you had not slept. You are plural subject, so we use had. And this is negative sentence, so we use not, and slept is third form of verb. Second example is he had not finished his homework. He is singular subject, so we use had, and this is negative sentence, so we use not. Finished is third form of verb and homework is object. Third sentence is interrogative sentence. Structure for interrogative sentence: had plus subject plus third form of verb plus object plus question mark. Let us take some example. First example is had the patient died before the doctor arrived. क्या पेशेंट मर चुका था डॉक्टर के पहुंचने से पहले? In this sentence we use had in the beginning of the sentence, then we use subject, and died is third form of verb and doctor is object. Question mark is important. If you don't put a question mark, the sentence will be incomplete or wrong. Second example is had he eaten banana before he left. In this sentence we use had in the beginning of the sentence, then we use subject, and eaten is third form of verb and banana is object. If we don't put a question mark, the sentence will be wrong or incomplete. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, sisters